Viewers, in a big breaking news, chaos has erupted outside the Chittagong court after Chinmoy Das's bail plea has been rejected by the Bangladesh court. The Bangladesh court has denied bail to the Hindu seer Chinmoy Krishna Das during a hearing held under tight security today in Bangladesh. At least 11 Supreme Court lawyers, viewers, were set to participate in the bail hearing of the former ISKCON priest Chinmoy Krishna Das. Earlier, on the 3rd of December, Chittagong court had fixed January the 2nd for the bail hearing as the prosecution submitted a time petition and there was no lawyer to represent the Hindu seer Chinmoy Krishna Das. And today, chaos has erupted. These are the live visuals from outside the Bangladesh court, where chaos and frenzy has erupted after the court denied bail to the Hindu seer Chinmoy Krishna Das. Viewers, also being joined on the broadcast by my colleague Ridhita from the Bangla newsroom to get us more on the story. Ridhita, massive development. The Bangladesh court has denied the bail plea against Chinmoy Krishna Das. Tell us more.
Correct. After the Bangladesh court repeatedly denying the bail plea of Chinmoy Krishna Das Prabhu, the date of 2nd January, the hearing date of 2nd January was given finally, and with where today the court started at the correct time at 11 a.m. today at the Bangladesh time, and 11 Supreme Court lawyers, Hindu lawyers, had flew down from Dhaka to Chattogram to present the plea, and also the hearing was done. The bail plea hearing went very peacefully, but the judgment was very upsetting. It was very disappointing, where the bail plea was again rejected. The Hindu monk was arrested on 25th of November by the Metropolitan Dhaka police. Due to unknown reason, the police did not provide any police warrant. They did not provide any reason as to why he is being arrested, and after keeping him in jail for more than a month or so, the bail plea again got rejected. And in this meantime, several Hindu lawyers had come forward and appealed for his plea, where they were rejected. Cases were being lodged against them. Ravindra Ghosh, who was a senior Supreme Court lawyer, had appealed to the Bangladesh High Court on 12th of December. There he was attacked. His car was broken, and also the next day he was denied to meet Prabhuji. And today again the same disruption are we seeing in the Chattogram court under Islam, under Jamaat Islam. The court was running today, and there is the same disruption after the hearing, after the judgment has been produced in the court. They are attacking the Jamati lawyers are attacking the Hindu lawyers, the 11 Hindu lawyers who had been to the Chattogram court today to appeal for Chinmoy Krishna Das Prabhu. They are calling them as ISKCON Dalal, as India Dalal, which means, this is in Bengali, that they are calling, which means that the agent of ISKCON, the agent of India. So after all this repetitive attack, Bangladesh has not kept quiet. The Jamatis have not kept quiet. The Jamati lawyers are constantly attacking the Hindu lawyers, as we see in the visuals outside the court now, that the Hindu lawyers are being again attacked. They were also attacked on the first time when the bail plea was presented, and this is the second time that the disruption outside the court has started, and the Jamati leaders, the Jamati lawyers are seen to harass the Hindu lawyers out there, calling them as the agents of ISKCON, calling them as India's ISKCON. What is Yunus government doing? Why is the Yunus government still quiet after such disruption and harassment happening day and night on the Hindus in the state? We have seen earlier that the MEA has also expressed their deep concern. The Ajit Doval has also had visited Bangladesh, and after so much of talks, why is the Yunus government still quiet? There are worldwide protests from US, UK, Korea, everywhere that we see from every corner of the world. Has the human rights fraternity come forward? Has the law fraternity come forward? Has the Hindu fraternity? People of the world are saying, but what is wrong in Bangladesh? Why are Hindus being attacked? Why is the minorities being attacked? It is high time that Bangladesh needs to take care of their minority community, needs to save the minority community. The Hindus that recorded 33% once in Bangladesh have reduced down to around 7 to 10%, and that is a matter of concern in Bangladesh. Bangladesh, and where the entire world is showing their deep concern, expressing their deep concern, Bangladesh government is yet quiet. And we are seeing repetitively every day is the Jamatis attacking the Hindus in Bangladesh. They are vandalizing their houses, setting the houses on fire, attacking the people, the Hindus out there, raping, molesting, beating, murdering the Hindus out there in Bangladesh. And Chinmay Krishna Das Prabhu, one of the most top Hindu seers of Bangladesh, has been arrested due to unknown reasons without any warrant. What is wrong with the Bangladesh law and order? The condition is extremely concerning. As we can see, the Jamati leaders are still attacking the leader. Not only the leaders, but the lawyers are seen to attack now the Hindu lawyers for the second time outside the Chittagong court today. So that is the visual that we are getting to see at the moment of the chaos that has erupted in the Chattogram court. And even earlier, just before the proceeding has begun today, we had seen that there was heightened security in the area. The court was covered with policemen. So what is the policeman doing? What is the law? What is wrong with the law in Bangladesh? The police also did not take any action that we understand when the Jamati lawyers started to attack the Hindu lawyers within the vicinities of the court. That is the visuals that we are seeing at this moment, and you understand what a bad condition, what a concerning condition has erupted in Bangladesh at the moment, or in the court, with the court which is the premise to serve the people with justice, with proper law and order. That platform itself has become a platform for chaos, for harassment. Back to the studio.
Right, Udita, thanks for getting us those updates.